Hello you, and welcome back to Loop Theme Park Adventures after a bit of a hiatus. I'm Paul, and today I'm here to have a little chat about the Curse at Alton Manor. And I have to remind myself that it is the Curse at Alton Manor and not the Curse of Alton Manor, because apparently the curse resides at the manor, but the manor takes no accountability for it. Grow up. Opening last Saturday the 18th of March, the former haunted house turned zombie shoot 'em up Duel has been transformed for a second time to tell the story of Emily, the unloved daughter of the Alton family, shunned by her parents and left to play alone with her doll's house. This retheme has breathed fresh air into this section of the park, with not only the ride building being updated, but also the merchandise shop has become the attic of antiquities and features a whole new range of spooky offerings along with a new photo opportunity, and Nitro Genie is now Coach House Confectionery, serving a range of creepy snacks, ice creams and shakes. The zombie tomb has now become the resting place of Emily and her cat Snowy, and there are various bits of signage around the area containing the odd Easter egg or two. Great to see actors parading the area as well, helping to create an atmosphere. Wait, did that pram just move? The queue line then starts to set the story, with plaques telling us of Emily's history. The graves in the queue also make reference to many attractions of the resort's past, such as Black Hole, Corkscrew, Ripsaw and the Log Flume, which is a really nice touch. And finally, you reach the entrance to the manor. So there will be some mild spoilers about the ride experience, nothing too in depth, but if you do want to go in totally blind, then this is the point to jump off the video. But before you do, just click that subscribe button, go on, you know you want to, and hit like too while you're there. Once through the entrance of the manor, there's a bunch of creepy stuff in front of you, but much of the rest of the indoor queue / pre-show is very similar to how it was with Duel. The creepy house, the spooky pictures on the wall, the rocking horse, etc. The ride system is exactly the same as it was too, except without those blasted blasters, which I much prefer. We're then taken on an adventure through Alton Manor and into Emily's doll's house. At its best, Alton Manor feels like a completely new attraction, drawing clear inspiration from Disney's Haunted Mansion in places, while doing its own thing in others, also referencing Alton Towers' extensive history. My personal highlights are the opening scene through the lobby of the mansion, the now fully operational troll tunnel adorned with Emily's creepy handwriting, which combined with the spinning clock face at the end genuinely convinces your brain that you're turning upside down. This is followed by an encounter with Emily and an awesome evil shadow effect reminiscent of the Babadook. And then there's the Haunted Mansion style mirror section, generating a reflection of Emily sat in your ride vehicle. I also really appreciated the nods to old rides and theming in Emily's doll's house, including Bjorn and signage and the infamous log flume duck. In fact, there is a very Merlin feel to this attraction, the smells, the music, the little whispering voices. Alton Manor is not without some minor criticisms though. There are a couple of dead spots at the moment, two scenes in particular that are in complete darkness, which I understand are still being worked on. It's a shame that one of these comes straight after the Trummel / Emily moment, as building on the momentum from that scare would be awesome. I also felt there were a couple of points that just reminded me of Duel and took me out of the immersive experience a little. The giant spider is still there, yet doesn't really make any obvious connection with the story that I could tell. And while some new theming has been added, the graveyard section of the ride still feels very Duel-esque to me. Alton Manor is a ride with a duality. These are nitpicks though, and in a way highlight that Alton Manor excels when it's focused on the story it's telling and feels like its own attraction rather than a retheme. Because overall this is definitely a big improvement on Duel, which adds a much more well-rounded dark ride to the resort and undoubtedly improves a section of the park which had often been forgotten or ignored by guests. I do hope that the dark scenes get sorted out soon, as it would be fantastic to enjoy the full ride experience, but overall Curse at Alton Manor is a very welcome addition to Alton Towers that has a huge amount of upside. It's not quite the world-class dark ride that many of us still crave for in the UK, but it is very good and it's a step in the right direction, albeit in a very Merlin way. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then leave a like and subscribe for more content, because it's a new theme park season and there is tons of stuff to come here on the channel. The grading series is returning very soon, and I'll also be checking out some of the most exciting new attractions opening in Europe this year, such as TARDIS at Park Asterix, Batman Gotham City Escape at Park Warner, and Jumanji at Chessington, and loads more. So catch you here soon on Loop Theme Park Adventures.